Where's your nose?
Man, where's your nose?
That's right.
Where's your eyes? Eyes.
That's right. Where's your button?
That's right. And where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? That's right.
Good girl. Show Dad some more dance moves. Come on. Ooh, you banged your head. Oh, stop banging your head. Why are you banging your head on the door?